In this video, we'll guide you through how to find your motherboard's make and model on your system. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Knowing your motherboard's make and model is really useful, especially when checking if certain components are compatible or if you need to find specific specifications for your setup. To get started, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type System Information. This option should appear, and you can click to open it. If any sections are hidden, you can adjust the view by clicking and dragging the edges as needed. Look for the entry labeled Baseboard or Motherboard. This is where you'll find the details you're looking for. For example, I can see that my motherboard is made by MSI Microstar International, and the model is Pro X67ODP55. And that's it. Now you know your motherboard's make and model. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful and want to see more guides like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video.